Alright, kick back, relax, and let's hit it again. While you go tell your mother, father, cousin, the kid, and your other friends that don't even have a clue what this SOCIAUX crew is about to do. You know it ain't fool's gold, this is kryptonite. Super MCs freeze when I hit the mic. Right, EFF is the AKA. I keep it popping like my old WRAB. But by now, listen up, stupid. SOCIAUX came to do it. Got more flavor than you and your crew. Kids, so put your hands together if you're ready to lose it. And bounce to the breakneck beat. And like junior, seniors, it's to move your feet. You bring the buckets, I bring the refreshments, and stay fresh to death like I'm choking on a breath mint.
I can fly. I'm on 6, 7, 8 cloud 9, and ain't nothing gonna stop me, 'cause I'm just too mighty and high. Ain't nobody giving that.
Up and away, let me get that. Touching on some with no jetpack. I'm a bag of bones full of helium. On the first equilibrium, raps a million quotidian. Extraordinary next air to the throne like a rising sun, making rising sums. Up and away with a million thumbs. So self-made, you think I was asexual. Fresh figure, let me finish my victuals. Number 2, yeah, time for treats. Better get it fast for it melts in the heat. I'm wrecking on the mic, I'm on a mission to ruin. You wanna know how it's done to get to doing as I'm doing. I'm a Sally born like a stallion. Raps how I'm doing. It won't fall, workplace upon.
I can fly. I'm on 6, 7, 8 cloud 9. Ain't nothing gonna stop me, 'cause I'm just too mighty and high.
Ain't nobody giving that. Hey, naysayers, how y'all been? It's been a minute, but I'm in it to win, and I ain't finished. This is the starting gun, and I'ma run it to the front till I'm number one, son. This is a rhythmic defibrillation. Innovative old school to thrill the nation. I've been patiently waiting in buildings deep, but I'm back with the bounce like a trip on dreams. I feel the bubbling up. It's 10 times bigger, but it's never enough. You gotta get up early and you'll miss the call. So let me show all the yama to my crystal ball. I sized up the prize, eyes on the opportunity. My mind on my money and my roots in the community. So get your booty sweet, creativity, come on. My future's so bright, I'm getting melanoma.
I can fly. I'm on 6, 7, 8 cloud 9, and ain't nothing gonna stop me.
Alright, kick back, relax, and let's hit it again. When you go tell your mother, father, cousin, the kid, and your other friends that don't even have a clue what the SOCIAUX crew is about to do. You know it ain't fool's gold, this is kryptonite. Super MCs freeze when I hit the mic. Right, EFF is the AKA. I keep it popping like my old WRAB. And if you don't know by now, then listen up, stupid. SOCIAUX came to do it. Got more flavor than you and your crew. Kids, so put your hands together when you're ready to lose it. And bounce to the breakneck beat. And like junior, seniors, it's to move your feet. You bring the buckets, I bring the refreshments, and stay fresh to death like I'm choking on a breath mint.
I can fly. I'm on 6, 7, 8 cloud 9, and ain't nothing gonna stop me, 'cause I'm just too mighty and high.
Up and away, let me get that. Touching on some with no jetpack. I'm a bag of bones full of helium. Lit foot on the first equilibrium. Raps a million quotidian. Extraordinary next air to the throne like a rising sun, making rising sums. Up and away with a million thumbs. So self-made, you think I was asexual. Fresh figure, let me finish my victuals. Number 2, yeah, time for treats. Better get it fast for it melts in the heat. I'm wrecking on the mic, I'm on a mission to ruin. You wanna know how it's done to get to doing as I'm doing. I'm a Sally born like a stallion. Raps how I'm doing. It won't fall, workplace upon.
I can fly. I'm on 6, 7, 8 cloud 9, and ain't nothing gonna stop me, 'cause I'm just too mighty and high.
Ain't nobody giving. Hey, naysayers, how y'all been? It's been a minute, but I'm in it to win, and I ain't finished. This is the starting gun, and I'ma run it to the front until I'm number one, son. This is a rhythmic defibrillation. Innovative old school to thrill the nation. I've been patiently waiting in buildings deep, but I'm back with the bounce like a trampoline. Oh please, I feel it bubbling up. It's 10 times bigger, but it's never enough. You gotta get up early or you'll miss the call. So let me show all the yama to my crystal ball. I sized up the prize, eyes on the opportunity. My mind on my money and my roots in the community. So get your booty sweet, creativity, coma. My future's so bright, I'm getting melanoma.
I can fly. I'm on 6, 7, 8 cloud 9, and ain't nothing gonna stop me, 'cause I'm just too mighty and high.
Fresh big, how you feeling?
David F. Man, I'm on top.
I can't believe they're hearing this from the rooftop of hip-hop. Fresh Biggie, how you feeling?
David F. Man, I'm on top.
I can't believe they're feeling this from the rooftop of hip-hop.
Ain't nobody get it down.
Do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, yes it's true. And I'm supposed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things can mean less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a syrupy single with a dope ass beat. It's a mic check, all the levels right, and if it's good then I'll be here for several nights. Cause the only thing I need is a strong supporting team. The most important thing that helps support my dream. And I can't forget my family, helping keep my sanity no matter what I do. I know they'll always stand with me. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand with me. It's not easy to me, that's all I know. Dodge the difficulties, take life slow. And if I ever slow up, you know I always show up. It's still the same on me, even